In this 3-minute video, I'm going to show you how to make a pamphlet that will not come apart. First things first, you're going to get 3 pieces of paper. The top sheet is going to have a line down the center. The next one is going to have 2 lines at the top and bottom, and then this last one is going to have a dotted line or a dashed line at the top and bottom. Now you're going to fold your papers together like a book or a pamphlet. Match the corners. Make sure that they're nice and even, and make a crease so you know where all of your papers are going to line up when you make the cuts. So you see now that the outer paper has a line down the center. We need to make a cut. So here's how you're going to do that. You are going to take it and very gently pinch that center. So you can take your scissors and make a cut where the fold is. Now, when you open it up, there will be a cut in the center of the paper and not on the sides. You really want to make sure that you have enough at the top and the bottom. Now, with the 2 remaining pieces of paper, you're going to open them up, and at the top and bottom, either on the dashed line or on the solid line, you're going to cut until that line turns into the dividing line of the paper. You don't want to go too far down because, again, this is how the pamphlet kind of stays together. So you have cuts at the top and the bottom, and it matches the cut in the center. So in order to get those pieces of paper through, you kind of want to roll it. And see, this one doesn't entirely fit, so I just kind of roll it again, pull it through so that it matches up in the center. Pull that bottom piece down and the top piece up. Awesome. Fold it over and you have a pamphlet. This one is for parts of speech, so when you open it up, I have the table of contents there on page 2, and you can see I have page 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and then 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you're ready to take notes. You can even color the title.